If you could think out loud and instantly turn those thoughts into structured, usable writing, how much faster would you move? I'm Josiah Authier. I'm a productivity architect and co-founder of Santa Barbara AI. I help businesses and creators design systems that eliminate friction and multiply output, especially using AI. And today, I'm going to show you a tool that has fundamentally changed how I think, write, and execute. It's called Wispr Flow. In this video, I'll break down what it is, why it's so powerful, and exactly how to start using it in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. So have you ever had a great idea, but by the time you start typing, you've already lost half of it? Typing is slow, thinking is fast, and that gap is where clarity disappears. Most people try to solve this with AI tools, but you still have to prompt them, you still have to type, and that interrupts your mental flow. That's where Wispr Flow is different. Wispr Flow is a real-time voice-to-text productivity tool designed to capture your thoughts and instantly convert them into clean writing. But it's more than dictation. It's flow state capture. You speak naturally and it turns your thinking into usable output. Emails, YouTube scripts, brainstorming notes, strategy documents. It eliminates the friction between idea and execution. Let's talk about why this matters. First is going to be speed. You can speak 3 to 4 times faster than you type. That alone changes everything. Second, better ideas. When you type, you edit as you go. When you speak, you think expansively. That unlocks higher level thinking. And third, flow state. Typing interrupts your thought loops. Speaking sustains them. Wispr Flow helps you stay in deep creative momentum. And fourth, reduced cognitive load. Instead of thinking, typing, editing, and rethinking all at once, you separate the process. Think and speak first. Refine later. That dramatically improves clarity. And finally, AI integration. This is where it gets powerful. You can dictate raw thinking, then refine it with ChatGPT or other AI tools. Wispr becomes your idea engine. AI becomes your structuring assistant. Together, it's a serious competitive advantage. Now let me show you exactly how to use it. Step 1, install Wispr Flow. Go to their website, download the app, and install it like any standard desktop application. Step 2, set up your microphone. You can use a USB mic, AirPods, or your built-in microphone. Just make sure you're in a relatively quiet environment. Clean input equals clean output. Step 3, open the app and activate it. When you're ready, hit record and start speaking naturally. Here's a pro tip. Don't just ramble. Give your brain structure. Start by stating your topic. For example, this video is about the advantages of Wispr Flow. First, I'll explain speed. Second, flow state. Third, productivity. Then expand on each point. That simple move creates built-in organization. Once you're finished, review the text. Clean up minor errors, break it into paragraphs, adjust formatting. It usually requires very little editing. Here's how I personally use it. I dictate freely for 5 to 10 minutes. I capture everything in one burst. Then I paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to organize and refine. Now I've turned raw thinking into structured assets in minutes. You can use Wispr Flow for writing YouTube scripts, drafting long emails, brainstorming strategy, creating LinkedIn posts, planning presentations, capturing book ideas. If you want to test its full power, here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, don't type the first draft of anything. Speak it. See what happens to your clarity. See what happens to your speed. Most people never go back to typing first drafts after that. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more breakdowns on AI systems and higher level productivity. And drop a comment below. Have you ever tried voice first workflow yet? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.